Most people envision the Maldives as a utopian retreat exclusively for the wealthy, a playground reserved for celebrities and the rich. This perception paints this tropical paradise as a far-fetched dream for budget travelers. However, prepare for a surprising revelation. I traversed the ethereal beauty of the Maldives, dipped my toes in its crystal-clear waters, and reveled in its vibrant marine life, all on a modest budget of just $50 a day. Yes, you read that right. Let me debunk this myth. The Maldives is not an unreachable luxury destination, but a tropical you can explore without emptying your savings. Welcome to the magical allure of the Maldives, a year-round paradise. In this video, I will take you through my own journey, navigating this island utopia in a way that is as mesmerizing as it is affordable. The secret? Timing. I embarked on this adventure during the off-peak season, May and November. Yes, it's the Maldives monsoon season, but don't be put off. The showers are brief, and the trade-off is more than worthwhile. Lower prices, fewer crowds, and an authentically unfiltered experience awaited me. Let's dive in. One of the most memorable parts of my trip, and a moment I'd like to share with you, was snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives. And guess what? It's a budget-friendly activity. You don't need a luxury resort to access the underwater beauty of this island paradise. Imagine swimming alongside a vibrant, swirling kaleidoscope of marine life. Fishes in hues you didn't even know existed, majestic turtles gliding effortlessly, and if you're lucky, even the occasional reef shark. The rich biodiversity of the Maldives' underwater world is nothing short of breathtaking. This unforgettable experience truly showcased the beauty and uniqueness of the Maldives. It was a reminder that the real magic of travel often lies in the simple, unadorned moments of connection with nature. You don't need to break the bank to have a magical experience. The Maldives, with its turquoise waters and rich marine life, is testament to that. So, grab your snorkel and let's dive into the next part of our journey. Now you might be thinking, isn't the Maldives all about luxury resorts and overwater bungalows that come with a hefty price tag? I thought so too, until I started digging deeper. It's true that the Maldives is famed for its high-end resorts. And yes, they can cost an arm and a leg. But don't let that deter you. The Maldives is more than just a playground for the rich and famous. With a little research, some savvy planning, and an open mind, you can experience the magic of this paradise without breaking the bank. In the next scene, we will explore affordable accommodation options that offer a more authentic and immersive experience of the local culture. So, stay tuned. Contrary to popular belief, my experience has shown that the Maldives can be enjoyed without breaking the bank. The common myth of high costs for accommodations is just that, a myth. Through careful planning and smart choices, I discovered a side of the Maldives that is welcoming and affordable. To keep costs down, I focused on accommodations that were both budget-friendly and culturally rich. The Maldives has recently opened up local islands for tourism, introducing a variety of affordable guest houses and budget hotels. These places, especially on islands like Faludu, offer a more culturally immersive experience. I found myself interacting with local communities, learning about their daily lives, and enjoying an experience that felt authentic, all without stretching my budget too thin. It's all about knowing where to look and how to plan, booking in advance during non-peak season, and taking advantage of deals can help you save significantly. Also, consider staying in the local islands over the more tourist-focused luxury resorts to get a better sense of the local culture and lifestyle. The Maldives today caters to a wider range of travelers, debunking the stereotype of it being a high-end, exclusive destination. It's true that one's budget can heavily influence the choices of accommodations, but it's also true that through astute planning and smart choices, one can enjoy the beauty of the Maldives without exhausting all financial resources. Discovering budget-friendly food options in the Maldives was a fun and flavorful journey. The secret to saving money, yet relishing the experience, is to dine like the locals do. Instead of staying for meals at the hotel or resort, which could be quite pricey, I decided to explore the local eateries. The Maldivian streets are adorned with numerous small cafes and tea houses, offering a variety of delectable delicacies. A vital money-saving hack I discovered was savoring the traditional Maldivian cuisine. Not only did it allow me to experience the local culture, but it also helped it keep my budget in check. Dishes like mashuni, a shredded tuna salad, and biskemia, a local spring roll variant, are not only scrumptious but also surprisingly easy on the pocket. What's more, some local eateries offer meal combos that are both filling and economical. Street food is also a great option for those looking for cheap, tasty food. Remember, the goal is to enjoy the experience without burning a hole in your wallet. Exploring the islands doesn't have to be expensive. Many local islands offer free or inexpensive activities. Snorkeling, a must-do in the Maldives, can be as simple as renting gear and exploring the house reef. You can also enjoy the stunning sunsets, take a stroll on the beach, or chat with the friendly locals, all without spending a dime. Navigating the Maldives on a budget wasn't so difficult. Upon some thorough research and smart planning, I discovered that there are plenty of economical options for moving around the islands. Instead of indulging in expensive speedboats or domestic flights, I chose the public ferries or local dhonis. Although these modes of transportation might take a bit longer, they offer more than just a means to travel from one place to another. Choosing the ferry, for example, was a decision that resulted in savings of up to 75% compared to a speedboat. The local dhonis also offered a unique cultural experience, exposing me to local life and customs at a fraction of the cost. Not only did these choices save me a lot of money, but they also proffered picturesque views of the landscape that were truly unforgettable. Handy tip that proved beneficial was to plan ahead and align my travel itinerary with the ferry schedules, as they don't operate round the clock. Additionally, I found packing light and bringing my own snacks and water significantly reduced unnecessary additional costs. So, if you're planning a trip to the Maldives, consider these budget-friendly transportation alternatives. They not only save money, but also enrich your travel experience with a sense of local flavor and breathtaking scenery. In essence, a budget-friendly adventure in the Maldives is all about immersing yourself in the local culture. By planning your vacation strategically during off-peak times, you can benefit from price drops. Choosing local island stays and dining as the locals do also proves to be cost-effective. Utilize cost-free or cheap activities and opt for public transport for commuting. The Maldives is more than just an extravagant getaway. It's an accessible tropical paradise no matter your financial constraints. With careful planning and smart decisions, your dream of experiencing the Maldives without draining your wallet can become a reality. This island chain is ready to welcome you with open arms, eager to share its breathtaking beauty, rich culture, and the locals' warm hospitality. So, come aboard this extraordinary journey and create priceless memories in the Maldives. Don't forget, we have plenty of other budget-friendly travel tips in our video series. Be sure to explore them for more destinations and share your personal Maldives experiences in the comments section below. We can't wait to hear about your adventures.